Hello din, dito na kami naka-check-in na kami sa Music Suites. Dito kami nag-stay. Just for the long weekend really, for a night. This one night lang yung ano namin, stay dito. This is like a video from our suites. Yan yung front. Kikita mo yung parking doon. Yung mga parking lot. Mamaya ay ano kami, yung Agora light walk. Yung dalawang berry ay naku, ay doon pa, nag-ano pa sila, maliligo para doon pa sa pool. So, okay na, maliit lang yung room namin, but it's okay just for a night. Just one bed and then my sofa bed. So, very simple, ano lang. Ito yung suites namin. May kitchenette din sila, table, so yung isa kong baby. Dumulag na baby. Kanina dumaan kami, may nakita kaming corn fresh from the farm. So tingnan mo, niluluto ko ngayon yung aking corn for a dozen, $12 din. Medyo mahal, pero it's okay kasi it's really fresh. Ito yung peach and cream corn, see? Luto ako for dinner. Parang hindi na kami kakain mamaya sa restaurant. Ang mga pagkain nito, mga ano, yung either pizza, tapos ang napakadaming tao. Ang daming tao ngayon kasi long weekend. Kasi sabi ko, no, skip restaurant and we decided to, eat na lang dito sa, kasi meron namang kitchenette, merong maliit na dining table. So, just good for us. Ito yung long weekend namin. Bukas magbi-beach kami. Meron silang kayaking, meron silang paddle boarding. So I think it'll be fun. Alright, see you later. Bye.